Right, here, now we're going to solve the equation 4x squared over 18 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So writing that down, 4x squared over 18 minus 3 is minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Right, again, solving equations is about opposites. So the opposite of subtracting 5 is to add 5. So if we do that to this side, we're just going to get 4x squared over 18. And then minus 3 plus 5 is going to be 2. Right, the opposite of dividing by 18 is to multiply both sides by 18. So this side we're going to get 4x squared. 2 times 18 gives me 36. So we've got 4 multiplying by 4. And so we're going to divide by 4. So dividing both sides by 4, we're going to get that x squared is equal to 36 divided by 4, which is 9. So we've sort of worked outwards and working inwards towards the x. Now we've got x squared is equal to 9. So the opposite of squaring is to take the square root. If you take the square root of x squared, you get x. And if you take the square root of 9, you get plus or minus 3. And that's what you've got to remember. There's a plus or minus 3. And therefore we get two solutions. X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 3. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation which has a square in it and a fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.